afternoon, children. I hope all of you are safe at home. Due to lockdown and pandemic situation, school is going to start online classes as informed you previously. In this year, you will use two textbooks to study maths in 9th standard, maths 1 and maths 2. You are now going to begin your studies of at secondary level after completing your primary education. You had only one textbook of maths up to 8th standard. Now you will use two textbooks, that is maths 1 and maths 2. Up to 8th standard you have verified the properties of lines, triangles, quadrilateral, circles, etc. Now you are going to give logical proofs of these and some more properties. The skill of logical reasoning is of utmost importance in all fields of life. This textbook gives you an opportunity to learn the skill gradually. So let's start with the first lesson, children, that is lesson number 1, basic concepts in geometry. Basic concepts in geometries are point, line, line segments, etc. We do not define numbers, as you know that. Similarly, we do not define a point, line and plane also. These are some basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes are sets of points. So first one is point. Point. Say this is called point, which is denoted by capital letter. So how can we read this? Point A, point T, point P, point M. So this is the first basic concept in geometry, that is point. Second concept is line. See, this is called as line. How can we read this? Line L, line N, line M. What this arrow indicate? The arrow indicate that the line is unlimited, means you can increase it from left hand side, even you can increase from right hand side. So here in upward direction you can increase, here you can increase, means arrow indicate that we can increase the line in both the direction. So second concept, basic concept is line. Now the third concept is line segment. See the difference between line and line segment. In line there are two arrows, but in line segment there are two end points, means line segment is limited. How you can read or write this? Segment PQ or segment QP is called line segment. Here one more example. This is segment CD or segment BC. It has two end points. This is the main difference between line and line segment. In line there are two arrows, means lines are unlimited, but line segment is limited. So it has the end points. Next concept is ray. Observe the figure. In this figure there is point or there is end point at one corner, but there is arrow at the other corner, means you can increase this figure from this side only. From the arrow side you can increase, but here it is the end point, so in this direction you cannot increase. So such figure is called as ray. How you write? Ray PQ. We cannot write ray QP. In one direction, when there is an end point, from the end point only we can start. So this is called as ray PQ. This is called as ray AB. A is the end point. So how we write? Ray AB. This is the next concept which is called ray. And the last concept is plane. So if you observe the figure, see, plane is unlimited from all four direction. So such figure is called as plane. So these are the basic concepts in geometry, that is point, line, line segment, ray and plane. So children, write down all the points in your notebook and draw all the figure with pencils in your notebook. Thank you.